Hello, so today we are going to make a Christmas plum cake with a traditional touch. So for that I have taken a fresh orange juice and I have added so many dry fruits in it, and then I have soaked it for 12 hours. Then I have taken 1.5 cup of flour, and for wet ingredients I have added milk, curd, 1 cup of sugar and half cup of oil. So I need that mayonnaise type of structure in it. So I have added some masalas for the traditional touch, that is cinnamon, black pepper and nutmeg. Look at the consistency. I need that kind of consistency in my batter. So now we will add that wet ingredients in the dry ingredients. Now add our orange juice which are soaked with dry fruits and mix it well. There should be no lumps in it, so stir it and mix it very well. Look at the consistency. This kind of consistency I want in this stage. Then I will going to add cocoa powder, soda and baking powder. For adding soda, I will use some oil so that it will apply evenly in the batter. Then I will preheat my pan for 5 minutes with using salt, and I will add all the batter in my container and garnish it with some dry fruits. I am using here tutti frutti. You can use cashews, almonds, etc. Wait for 40 minutes and here is the results. This is so soft and fluffy. You can try it and tell me your experience. Look at the consistency. It baked evenly from inner side also. I will show you. Look at this plum place. So Merry Christmas and enjoy the recipes. Thank you.